Hey guys, so I'm trying a video in English now for maybe English viewers. Um, so a few days ago I bought a Kymco Super 8. Nice little scooter. I like the angles on it. Very nice. It had a big problem though. It came with this engine, a 4-stroke engine, 50cc. I really don't like 4-stroke. So that was a problem. So I decided, I've got a Minarelli 2-stroke engine lying around. Let's see if we can build that in this thing. So we did. Just to give you a quick look. There it is. I created some engine mounting brackets myself. Wasn't that hard actually. Just some 45-degree angles of steel resting on top of the frame. And then some steel bars coming up from the axle holding the engine, and a stabilizer rod just to make it a bit sturdier. But now we're waiting for some parts. I need a cylinder. I've got a carburetor, 19 mil, ready to go on there, and then the transmission, of course, that's gonna be Molossi, I think. Maybe stage 6, I don't know. Clean up the engine a little, because it's been an engine that I found sitting outside for a few years. But I mean, look at that. That's a nice scooter, right? And that engine looks very good under it. I really like it. And two-stroke. Two-stroke is good. We love two-stroke. Nice RPM. Nice power. Yeah, I think it looks okay. I mean, very sturdy from the back as well. It's very straight. It's really straight in there. Let me hold the camera straight. I'm really happy about that. I really am. I had some fun while looking at this engine. So after placing it, I just took it from the scrapyard, cleaned it up a little, mounted it under there. Well, created the mounts and I mounted it under there. And it was only then that I decided to take off the water pump cover. And looky, it has a racing ignition. Now that's a nice start. I'm thinking about a stage 6 MK2 cylinder for this setup. That goes well with that. So that's a real money saver right there. I mean, this engine costed me like $40, so complete with a rim and a spring and everything that was on it. The cylinder that was on it was busted. Well, busted. It had a few scratches in it, so I don't want to use it again. The crankshaft in there is actually a good one too. I think it's a Molossi one. It's a full racing one at least. I've got some exhausts, some Yasuni exhausts I can place on there. I've got a lot of parts. I think this is going to be a very nice build. And properly fast. Well, maybe not racing fast, but still. It's going to have good power. I really like it. I really like the way it sits under there. Very nice. So, if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'm going to post more videos in English and show you the progress of this project. Bye guys.